Morning, everybody. I'm gonna try to make that trending little breakfast sandwich thing where you do it in like one pan. We just got our bagels delivered from probably my favorite spot in New York, Essa Bagels. Shout out to Essa Bagels. So I'm gonna try it with that just to, give it a shot. I'm gonna toast this just a little bit just to kind of give it a little love. And then I'm actually gonna try to add a piece of bacon into mine just because bacon is amazing. So, I mean, basically people are just filling a pan with scrambled eggs, putting on 2 pieces of bread or an English muffin. I'm gonna do a bagel, and then flipping it and put it all in one sandwich. So we're gonna see how it works. Definitely want some cheese in here. And this will just give my eggs a nice base too. So I actually still have these from yesterday. Cheddar cheese. Maybe a little more. That's probably good. I've never made one of these, so this is my first time trying this. So who knows if it's actually gonna work out. Bageled at a nice little crisp. 2 eggs. Might need a little butter, but honestly, it's giving me a lot of bacon grease. Okay, so this is good. Turn my heat down. Save you for later. Whoa, runaway egg. Okay, eggs. I mean, that's all just from the bacon grease. Okay, let me get a little salt. Pepper. Yeah, so I mean, seems pretty easy. Again, I'm not following any recipe. Just kind of saw this on Instagram and was like, okay, time to try it. Okay, let's get a little butter on that pan. I'm doing this on a non-stick. Didn't really feel like dealing with the cast iron right now. Okay, so I'm just gonna get these going. This is a bigger pan than I have eggs, so we'll see how this works. I did 2 eggs. Okay, it's starting to cook pretty quickly, so I'm gonna put cheese where I think my bagels are gonna be. I feel like that's pretty smart. I don't know, seems like a lot of cheese. And let's put bacon on each one, why not? Okay, then you do this, I think. And that. All right, this is where it gets tricky. I mean, this could be really good if it works. But if it doesn't work, it's just gonna basically be a blob. I'm gonna get a better spatula. How do I flip this? Okay, we're gonna try this together. This is not gonna work. Oh, kind of. Okay. And you fold it in, push it over, fold it in. Okay, okay. I could have put the bacon in right now, but instead, I'm gonna put some hot sauce. And then, wow. And that worked out pretty well. Not bad. Tastes really good. These aren't all gonna be breakfast meals, but I figured I'd just try this one this morning. And yeah, just hit that subscribe button and we'll just keep doing this. See ya.